He's not popular in this.
He's not. That's why he's got the big thing over his head. If you're happy and you know it.
Annoy your friend.
And he sees the camera. Now it's all over.
A brownie.
You guys make each other goofy.
Proof positive that sugar causes ADD.
Yeah, but they do this. They do this whenever they're together. It gets worse as they get older.
Don't whack him in the face. Luke, don't whack him in the face.
Hey, Bump.
That's so good.
He had you giggling for a little while there.
Brownie. Yummy.
Your Luke didn't even have brownies, so he can't use sugar as an excuse.
No.
Luke, don't take Bump's milk, honey. No biting either. Hello.
You want your milk?
Look, Miss Tracy has your milk.
No.
You want your green milk?
No.
Do you see what just happened?
Hi.
Oh, swap. It's like, you don't want it, I'll
Laughing with you, Lou.
Is that technique you're practicing for college?
Lock up the liquid.
How is that working? Can we...
Milk.
Milk.
Am I?
Luke, you still have brownie left. How is that possible? Mimi would not be impressed. That should not be still on the table.
You eat your brownie?
Brownie.
That's Luke's brownie. Yummy.